morning.
Look what Crazy Carl, the Santa Claus.
Yeah, Crazy Carl.
And his little elves came up with. We got a little candy cane right here.
Oh my God. So we got rest of our turbo piping kit in. So we got it in red for all you red lovers. We got this stainless hot pipe thing for in between the turbos. Some lines, some clamps. But yeah, pretty much the rest of the kit.
Yeah, so now that we have all the piping kit and installation materials, we're gonna pair that up with the big secondary and our little stocky primary up onto our second gen manifold. But we pretty much have everything we need to bolt and mock this up on the Ranger. Make sure all our clearances are right and everything fits up. So we'll be getting into that next. Don't forget to spit on her. What was that?
All right, looks like we got some more parts. Good day. I think we're gonna start with this big one.
Ooh, what could be in it?
What could be in it? Ooh, the fuel cell. Oh, it's upside down.
That's some cool packaging, and it's spraying Funko. Look at that.
Oh, yes, yes. Best part, they even came with a tank. But yeah, here's our fuel cell for the Ranger. Got more, I think this is our fuel filter right here. The fuel pump.
Ooh, man. Got that 5/8 fuel pickup. It's gonna be a nice little draw straw. This is gonna be like a complete fuel system. We're gonna have an air separator, an actual fuel filter, and a big pump. It's gonna be pumping about 100 gallons per hour.
Get a gander on it.
Yeah, come on, take a peek.
So this is our fuel pump, water separator, fuel water, and fuel filter. And some more parts to put it on. That's pretty cool. Oh, just more filters.
Yeah. So we got some replacement filters for when we need to do servicing.
Oh, more stickers.
Does this one come with any stickers?
Look at that, dude.
Oh my gosh.
We got some foam.
It is a great day.
Chunks of metal. So these are part of the dies. Clamp. 2-inch donkey. It says hay right there. All that hay. But yeah, that's about it. So stay tuned and we'll have another update video for you on the Ranger coming within the next week or so.
Yeah.
Turbo's voice is cracking.